Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on search history on your YouTube account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YouTube application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your Google account to log in. After logging into your account, if you wish to turn on the YouTube history which has been turned off, then in order to do this, tap on your account icon at the bottom right corner. From the account icon page, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and then from the settings page, tap on your data in YouTube. Now from your data page, you can scroll down and you will find the YouTube search history. Go ahead and tap on this, and if it is turned off, then you will find the turn on button. Go ahead and tap on turn on, and you can also modify the sub settings. After choosing your desired settings and tapping on the turn on button, you might be asked for confirmation. Once you confirm your action, the search history on your YouTube account will now be enabled. And if you wish to change this setting once again, you can come back to this menu at any time and change your search history preference. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on search history on your YouTube account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.